Average of three numbers. Start the program. Set three integer variables to the desired values. Calculate the sum of the three numbers. Divide the sum by 3 to find the average. Store the average in a variable called average. Print the value of average. End the program. Flowchart. Average of three numbers. Pseudocode. Average of three numbers. 1. Start the program. 2. Set the variable num1 to the first number. 3. Set the variable num2 to the second number. 4. Set the variable num3 to the third number. 5. Calculate the sum of num1, num2, and num3 and store the result in a variable called sum. 6. Calculate the average of num1, num2, and num3 by dividing the sum by 3 and store the result in a variable called average. 7. Print the value of average. 8. End the program. Code. Average of three numbers. Public class average. Public static void main, string, args. Int num1 equals 10. Int num2 equals 20. Int num3 equals 30. Calculate average. Double average equals num1 plus num2 plus num3, 3.0. System.out. Print ln, average of plus num1 plus num2 plus, and plus num3 plus is plus average. Closing curly bracket, closing curly bracket. Output. Average of three numbers. Average of 10, 20, and 30 is 20.4. This output shows the result of calculating the average of three numbers, 10, 20, and 30, and printing the result to the console.